Hello,
Yeah, bro. Uh, am I audible?
how are you?
Am I audible to you?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay,
How are you, bro?
doing fine. Perfectly fine.
Yes, fine.
Am I audible as well as visible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay.
Where are you from?
Just guess. What do you think? Where am I from?
You are from
I'm from.
Jharkhand.
I'm not from Jharkhand. I'm from Maharashtra.
You are from Maharashtra. Okay.
Yeah. And about you?
And tell me something about you.
All right. Okay.
I am from UP.
UP. Okay, UP. Uttar Pradesh.
Yes,
Okay. And what do you do, bro?
got
For
it.
a living?
I am pursuing my degree from Allahabad University, BCom.
BCom. Okay. And how about you, brother? Who's sitting beside you? What does he do?
I inspired from my seniors of my school.
Okay.
One of my seniors is now CEO of a new startup and company.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I got your point. Okay.
He is now he is earning much.
Mm-hmm.
And what you do for a living?
I'm working as an online spoken English teacher.
Can you explain how you are working as online speak English?
Uh, I teach beginners, especially. They connect with me. I have a YouTube channel where I upload my videos, and by watching my videos, beginners they sometimes contact me, and yeah, this is how I teach them on video call.
Your English is good, I think. Can you tell me your YouTube channel name?
My YouTube channel name is Learn English with JD. Learn English with JD. J for jungle and D for dangerous.
Got it. I think I am gonna search this after the conversation.
Yeah, Learn English with JD. That's my YouTube channel name.
Okay, thanks a lot. I will comment on video.
Okay, I would appreciate
Okay,
that.
you.
I really
Thank you
appreciate.
for that.
Mm.
Thank you.
How is the weather? Is it bone chilling cold over there?
It is raining cold. There is mist outside.
Mist outside. Okay. Okay.
And what about in your state?
Yeah, the same thing. Okay. I'm also wearing my jacket. It's yeah, cold here as well. How do
Yes,
you?
I am wrapped in blanket and I am wearing this hoodie.
Okay. What time do you wake up in the morning? Especially it's winter season, right?
It it about 6 a.m.
Mhm. 6 a.m. Okay. Do you take a shower with
Yes,
cold water or with you go for warm
not
water?
not regularly,
Okay. You don't take
but
shower.
skipping one or
You don't take
not
shower.
regularly, but
Mhm.
skipping one day.
You skip
I
day.
take shower.
Okay.
Yes,
Understood. Well.
yes.
Mm.
Do you take regularly
Yeah,
your shower?
it is mandatory for me. I take a bath on a daily basis. Without bath, I feel very uncomfortable, and it is very hygienic as well. That I believe it doesn't matter about the weather, whether it is cold or whether it's hot. I have to take a shower at least once a day.
Okay, that differs person by person.
Yeah, it is your own choice,
It
but
depends.
I
Yes,
don't want to break this habit.
that's a good thought. I appreciate that.
Okay, great.
Keep it up.
That's exactly I'm thinking now. Keep it up.
Thank you. And if I tell you that if you want to give any advice, what advice would you give to me?
Yeah, I have a piece of advice for you. Listen me carefully, okay? In order to speak well,
Okay.
in order to speak well, you have to speak a lot.
Uh, yeah, on the daily basis, how much time I can practice?
It depends on you how much time do you have prefer, but make sure it should be consistent. You have to show up on a daily basis. You don't have to take a break. Be regular when
Okay.
it's come to language
There,
learning. Small
there should be
improvement does count.
consistency.
Yeah, small improvement does count, and it will have a compound effect over the time.
Okay. Thanks for your advice.
Mhm. Good.
I think it will be good at any moment in my life in future.
Yeah, definitely. We all are doing work for our life, right?